Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone here is safe and healthy. So, I am here today, Dr. Pooja Sharma, to discuss about a very important topic in orthodontics, which many of my patients are asking me frequently when they come here to discuss with me about their orthodontic treatment, what are their doubts, and other things. So, today I thought of discussing with you all a very important topic. Are extractions needed every time in orthodontics or braces treatment or not? So, today I will give you a broad criteria about why your orthodontist sometimes recommends that you will need to remove some of your permanent teeth for your orthodontic treatment. So, beginning, initially, I would like to tell you the first and foremost important reason is why we are extracting teeth here is there is no space to align your teeth properly, or there is no room for your teeth to fit properly in your arches. जब हमारे जॉज में स्पेस यानी जगह की कमी है तो हमारे दांत आगे पीछे हो सकते हैं, ऊपर की तरफ बाहर की तरफ निकले हो सकते हैं, या एक के ऊपर एक ओवरलैप हो सकते हैं। जब हमारे जॉज छोटे हैं और टीथ का साइज बड़ा है, then most commonly this is the reason why an orthodontist will ask you to go for extractions. See, there can be other ways also by which we can make room for all of your teeth. Sometimes we opt a patient to go for expansion. Expansion say we expand the arch and make room for all of your teeth, but there might be certain factors like you are too old to go for an expansion procedure, or things may not work out properly and we are not getting the apt amount of space to align your teeth. Other way by which we can make room for your all teeth in your mouth is by proclining your teeth. See, by proclining we are placing your teeth a little ahead in your jawbone, which makes them occupy a more circumference, and so the teeth may align, or but this might become unstable in the later stages of treatment, and it's not recommended for every case. Thirdly, we can go for a minor reduction in the teeth, that is thinning of the teeth, and which may work for some patient, which might not work for some patients. So the idea behind extraction is that only we want to make a proper space for the alignment of your teeth, or you can say we want to make room for the teeth which are too big for your jaws. Coming to the second reason why orthodontists mostly advise extraction is protrusion. Protrusion is when your upper and lower teeth are placed too far ahead on your jawbone, and which results in your lips are also too far placed and you cannot close your lips properly, which gives you a fuller appearance of your lips, and there might be shrinkage on your chin also, and your profile will be looking more protruding. In such cases, we extract to get your front teeth, upper and lower, backwards into the extraction space and give you a better profile. Here, the space which we are making is completely used up in bringing your front teeth back so as to give you a balanced profile, so as to give you a more favorable appearance of your lips, and you can close your mouth completely without any problem, and so that you can breathe normally through your nose. Coming to another reason why we are extracting teeth in orthodontics is when there is a dental midline shift. See, what happens in early childhood, sometimes you may lose your milk teeth earlier than the prescribed time. So what happens when you lose your baby teeth soon, then there is shifting of the teeth in the space. So we might extract on the opposite side to create some room in which we will again shift your teeth, and you make your facial as well as dental midlines match, which gives you a better aesthetic appearance. Another reason we might extract your teeth is when there is a arch discrepancy or there is a skeletal discrepancy. Sometimes your upper jaw is too ahead, and just extracting in the upper jaws only two teeth will give you a balanced profile, which we might call as a camouflage treatment, in which only extracting in one jaw, either upper or lower, will give you a balanced profile and a more aesthetic and pleasant profile, which might not be requiring a more elaborate surgical treatment. But see, this is also not possible every time. Most of the time we might have to go along with a dental surgery procedure and orthodontics combinedly, giving you a more stable result and a more aesthetic result. So coming to the end, sometimes we also need to extract because of our wisdom teeth, because wisdom teeth are the last teeth to erupt in the mouth, and they might be the reason that they disturb our orthodontically aligned front teeth in the mouth. So the third molars are the most commonly impacted teeth, which are stuck into your jawbone and they don't have enough room to come out, so they get impacted. So in orthodontic treatment, we mostly recommend extraction of the impacted wisdom teeth. Sometimes there might be impaction of front teeth also, like canines. In this, we have to decide according to the requirement. Sometimes we extract, sometimes we do not extract. We go for a surgical procedure and we pull them back into the mouth. So this is a short idea I have given you regarding whether when your orthodontist advise you to get extractions done. This is the basic idea I am giving you today. And one more thing also, patients ask whether my profile will change after extracting. So this is a very important point. Profile, see, profile will not change. Only the reason for which the extraction is done depends, is the main reason your profile will change or not after orthodontic treatment. Because what happens if we have only extracted to make room for your crowded teeth, then see, if your only two teeth are extracted in the arch and the two teeth which are out of the arch, we are just aligning them into the arch and we are creating your arch form properly, there won't be any effect on your lips or your profile after treatment. It will be the same as before treatment. But in another case, for example, if we are just extracting when your upper teeth are too far ahead, you are unable to close your mouth, your lips are giving a fuller appearance, then definitely there will be a change in your profile. Because when we will bring back the teeth to the ideal position on the jaw bones, the lips will also follow simultaneously, and you will get a much balanced profile, a favorable and an aesthetic profile. Your lips will be able to close normally and you will be able to breathe normally through your nose, and definitely there will be a major improvement in your appearance. So in the end, I would like to just summarize that this is a broad idea what I have given you regarding why we extract commonly in orthodontics. But in the end, it is you should go to your orthodontist and have an open discussion regarding what are your concerns, what treatment you require, and what is the opinion of your orthodontist regarding extractions. Are they needed or they are not needed? So that depends on individual patient, what is the best treatment plan for that patient, for which you should go and discuss your case completely with your orthodontist, and then we shall come out for a definitive treatment plan, which will in the end give you a beautiful and a stable smile for an everlasting lifetime. I hope this video was informative for you. And if you have any doubts and if you want to know anything about in detail, do let me know. I will be glad to answer. Thank you so much.